Are you getting the full benefits of doing a step up? Quickly, let me show you how to do them properly to make sure that you're not wasting your time next time you do them. So come to the tiptoe of the back leg, slightly leaning forward into the front leg. Most of your weight should be on the front leg. As you come to standing, don't catapult from that bottom leg. Use the strength of the front leg to come to standing. As you descend, make sure that you just end on the tiptoe, not putting too much weight because you're controlling your body with the front leg. Let us know what you think of that tip in the comments below. We'll see you next time.